Imagine this, you're living the American dream. Got the house, the car, maybe even a boat. Life is good. Then the mail arrives, a letter, stark white, with the dreaded eagle crest, the IRS. Your heart skips a beat. What went wrong? This isn't some fictional thriller. It's the reality faced by countless individuals every year. The tax code, a labyrinthine beast, can trip up even the most diligent taxpayer. Suddenly, that dream life feels a million miles away, replaced by a knot of anxiety in the pit of your stomach. Take, for instance, the case of a small business owner we'll call John. John, a hard-working mechanic, poured his heart and soul into his auto repair shop. He meticulously tracked his income, or so he thought. One overlooked deduction, a misinterpretation of a complex tax rule, and John found himself staring down the barrel of a hefty IRS bill. John's story is not unique. It underscores the vital need for clarity and guidance in the often murky waters of individual taxation. It highlights the importance of seeking expert help when facing the IRS, an organization as powerful as it is complex. The tax code is a beast with many heads, each one representing a potential pitfall for the average taxpayer. One common issue is the dreaded alternative minimum tax, or AMT. Enacted to ensure the wealthy pay their fair share, the AMT can ensnare unsuspecting middle-class taxpayers due to its complex rules and exemptions. Another frequent trouble spot is the home office deduction. While a boon for freelancers and entrepreneurs, the rules surrounding this deduction are notoriously strict. One misstep in calculating square footage or demonstrating exclusive business use can land you in hot water with the IRS. Then there's the ever-changing landscape of tax law itself. New legislation, court rulings, and IRS pronouncements constantly reshape the playing field. Keeping up with these changes can feel like a full-time job, one most individuals simply don't have time for. These are just a few examples of the many challenges individuals face in navigating the complex world of taxation. The good news is, you don't have to go it alone. Enter Igor Novikov, a tax law expert with the heart of a teacher and the tenacity of a bulldog. As a founding partner of AGS Tax Group, Igor has dedicated his career to demystifying the tax code for individuals and businesses alike. Igor's approach is refreshingly straightforward. He cuts through the jargon and legalese, explaining complex tax concepts in plain English. He understands that most people aren't tax lawyers, and he believes everyone deserves clear, concise answers to their tax questions. But Igor's expertise extends far beyond mere explanation. He's a seasoned advocate, representing clients before the IRS and in tax court with a proven track record of success. Whether it's negotiating a payment plan, appealing an audit, or fighting for your rights in court, Igor is the ally you want in your corner. What sets Igor apart is his genuine empathy for his clients. He understands the stress and anxiety that tax problems can cause, and he's committed to providing compassionate, personalized guidance every step of the way. Igor's approach to tax resolution is multifaceted, drawing on his deep understanding of tax law, his negotiation skills, and his commitment to finding the best possible outcome for his clients. One of his key strategies is proactive tax planning. By working with clients throughout the year, Igor helps them identify potential tax liabilities and develop strategies to minimize their tax burden legally and ethically. When it comes to IRS audits, Igor is a staunch advocate for his clients' rights. He meticulously reviews every document, challenges any unsubstantiated claims, and negotiates with the IRS to achieve the most favorable outcome. He understands the inner workings of the IRS, and he uses this knowledge to level the playing field for his clients. In cases where tax disputes escalate to tax court, Igor is a seasoned litigator. He prepares a robust defense, presents compelling arguments, and fights tirelessly to protect his clients' interests. His courtroom experience and deep understanding of tax law make him a formidable opponent. Navigating the complexities of the tax code alone can be a daunting task, often leading to costly mistakes and unnecessary stress. That's where seeking quality tax representation becomes paramount. A skilled tax professional like Igor Novikov brings invaluable expertise to the table. They understand the intricacies of tax law, can effectively communicate with the IRS on your behalf, and can help you navigate the often overwhelming audit process. Moreover, a good tax representative acts as your advocate, fighting to protect your rights and secure the best possible outcome for your situation. They can help you understand your options, negotiate with the IRS, and even represent you in tax court if necessary. Choosing the right tax representation is not a decision to be taken lightly. Look for professionals with a proven track record, a deep understanding of tax law, and a commitment to ethical and effective representation.